We need the sun, guys. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, see more. Ayan, nandiyan na si Jilana. Parang ayan na nga sila. Where are they? They're not on the driveway?
I don't know.
Isa! I don't know lang na I don't know. Ayan, linisin muna natin, guys, ito. Ano bang tawag dito yan? Yeah. Hi guys, we need more sunlight, sunshine, where are they? Yep. Ayan, away from any problem, guys. Dito na lang tayo. Huwag isipin ng mga problema. Hi Tano. Andyan na sila. Where are you? They're waiting for you. Come on now. Are you gonna play the dirt, Jilana? Say please.
Juana, I'll be your customer.
Yeah, in the sandbox, she'll be your customer. Just tell her we'll play. Jilana, in the sandbox, Julene will be your customer. Jilana, yeah, do that, anak. Maybe over there, it's the dirt. It's better there than in the grass. Yeah. Hello, Shalane. Whoa!
I want to take it.
You wanna do it?
No, I want to take it. You see it?
Oh, okay. But you can make it shorter, anak. Do you wanna do it?
No, you can't. You can make it short.
You can. I mean, your hand. You do it in your hand. Yeah, like that. Oh,
Didn't work.
it didn't work. Okay, sorry. Thank you for subscribing.
Subscribing. Thank you. I did not need me Tala. Girl.
No, not yet. No.
More hair. No,
Almost. Are you okay?
we eat it.
You almost hurt yourself.
No.
Don't hurt yourself, please. Don't play rough.
What?
Don't play rough. It's just be careful.
I'm a pee.
Okay.
I'm thinking about doing the sound tonight, maybe. Pee, do that. Pee. Maybe. Do the pee. Maybe. Pee. Maybe not. Take it. Pee. Take it.
No, okay, do it now. 1, 2, 3, go. Uh-oh.
So long.
Why, what do you say?
At school, he's been so mean.
It's okay. It's your father.